everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. So today I'm here with the Kroger Mini Mega Event Participating Items video. Now this is definitely not the coupon matchups video for this week. If you want to go see that, that'll be separate. You can click the little line in the top right corner. Because I did two other videos in addition to this. There was a 5x digital event with not hundreds, but with quite a few participating items. As well as there is just the regular couponing deals video that I do every week. So check both of those out. So, yeah, let's just dive right into the mini mega event participating items.